friends. Okay, we're on the hunt. Deep water basin. Drop a tube down here, see if we can get some walleye in this area. If not, we'll switch to bluegill or whatever it takes. So we're in like 36 feet of water, and it's that all around here. So we got roamers. We gotta try and stay on them. Oh, there we go. Good fish, whatever it is. Oh, nice big pike. Oh yeah. Okay, well that's cool. We're getting everything doing this. Anyway, I'll get some pliers on him. Oh Jesus. Okay, anyway, see you guys. Hello my friends. Okay, we're still out in that deep basin of the lake. But what we're gonna do, I think we marked some bluegill here. So what we'll do is take a, see we got the turn back shad. I'll just poke on there like that, and take a piece of scissors and cut that worm off as tight as you can. So we got a tiny little piece on that turn back shad. This is deadly for bluegill. This won't make it up. There's no way. So we'll just drop it right at the bottom, and then we'll just work it right up with little tiny reels. I just kind of click the reel as I'm going. And the beauty of this turn back with that bigger hook on the back, not the one we put the worm on, but the other one, when a walleye grabs this, we still get him. I stopped just above. We did mark we got a mark here where we haven't been marking much out in this deep basin. We had to draw them in. We actually have a mark here, so this is good. So I'm just going to do that. I'm just going to, little tiny reels. Just can't handle this. We get hit. Anything with all this snow. Wow, they're finicky today. If that's what we have down here. Who knows what we could be marking, but we're going to go with it. It's bluegill. Oh, there we go. We got him, whatever he was. Oh, big bluegill. Okay. All right, guys. So look at that, with that worm right down in there. So they come up and nip on that, even as tough as they are biting right now. They eventually committed. Anyway, have fun. Okay, my friends, let's do another drop together. This time with the tube. This time we'll drop the tube down there and see what we can do. I'm gonna switch to this side. It's starting to get windy all of a sudden. much longer I'll be out, so we might as well do one together. Oh, one came up to meet us, maybe? Yep, we got one. Hopefully it's our walleye. Whoa, whoa. Super Bowl. It's Super Bowl day and we got ourselves a football. There we go. That's what you want on Super Bowl Sunday, big football. Well, that's not a walleye, but hey, that means they're close by because they'll be together. Let me get him back down here. Cool, eh? Nice. Okay, well, you guys enjoy Super Bowl Sunday. I've got to get going here so I can go see it.